Hey everybody, we got all hands on deck today as we get ready for a photo shoot tomorrow and our open farm day this weekend. Give you a quick little tour of what we got growing here. We have a bunch of pick your own flowers that will be ready shortly. We have some carrots that are growing here. Red leaf lettuce, radishes, broccoli, and beets that are coming, Swiss chard, onions, lettuce, kale. Hi Sienna, say hi. Sienna's helping today. We have eggplant here. Tomatoes, lots of tomatoes. Green beans, different type of red leaf lettuce, lots of radishes, cherry tomatoes, these beets and more carrots and more green leaf lettuce. This is a purple cauliflower that we have coming. Have a little bit of corn. We typically don't do corn, but we're just gonna do a little of it here. It's coming along nicely. And then in our caterpillar tunnel, another type of red leaf lettuce, Boston lettuce or Bib lettuce. It's a Tropicana. We just planted over here. More lettuce. And over here we have zucchini and cucumbers, and yellow squash. Goes all the way to the end. Here we have our greenhouse tomatoes. These guys are peaking right now. You see some red ones coming in. They're just starting. We're just starting to pick. We have cherry tomatoes on the side right here. Cucumbers that are growing right up the strings. They'll grow right to the ceiling. These guys right here are ready to be picked. We'll have them in the market very shortly. So that's just a quick little tour. We are so excited to begin our CSA beginning this Monday, and we're looking forward to seeing you all this weekend at our open farm days.